All right, if you've ever read something complicated and thought, what does this even mean? Yeah, you're definitely not alone. Technical subjects, research papers, coding concepts, finance, science, and academic topics can get confusing really fast. In this full guide, I'll show you how to make ChatGPT explain complex topics easily in 2026, step by step. First, open ChatGPT on your browser or mobile app and sign in to your account. The clearer your question is, the better the explanation usually becomes. Instead of asking vague questions, mention the exact topic you want explained. One of the best features of ChatGPT is that it can simplify difficult topics. You can ask it to explain something like you're a beginner, student, or someone with no technical background. Learning works best when you actively apply what you understand. Try explaining concepts yourself, solving problems, or testing your understanding. And yeah, that's how you make ChatGPT explain complex topics easily in 2026. Once you learn how to ask better questions and guide the AI properly, understanding difficult subjects becomes way less stressful.